Let's go out and feed the birds. I'm sure they're waiting. Oh, there they are. I think I was making a peanut butter sandwich or something, and I thought, I wonder if the squirrels will eat that. And so sure enough, they started eating the peanut butter sandwiches and the birds. So there was no stopping. I had to have a supply of peanut butter sandwiches. We used to feed the birds corn on the cob and peanuts. We'd go down and get the big bag of peanuts. We used to always feed them in the backyard under the tree. And then the tree got taken down. The poor squirrels, they didn't know what to do. I mean, they came in the yard and it was like they were shocked. Where's the tree? And so they finally just stopped coming under the tree. And I'd see them out in the yard, in the neighbor's yard, so I would throw food out there for them, but I didn't like throwing it in the neighbor's yard. So they'd come and they'd look around, and finally I try to limit it to like a loaf and a half a day, but sometimes it goes over that. I feel bad that they have such a hard life, you know, out in the weather and storms and snowstorms and windstorms and predators after them, and their life is hard, so I just try to make it a little easier.